Hello student of class 11, I will do the sum number 15 of set theory problem sum question. It is given that the production manager of Sain Sarkar and Lahiri company examined 100 items produced by the workers and furnished the following report to his boss. Defect in measurement 50, defect in coloring 30, defect in quality 23, defect in quality and coloring 10, defect in measuring and coloring 8, defect in measurement and quality 20, and 5 are defected in all respects. The manager was penalized for the report. Using appropriate result of set theory, explain the reason for the panel measure. I will draw the Venn diagram. This circle is for defect in measurement. This is defect in measurement. This is defect in coloring, and this is defect in quality. This circle is for defect in quality. Here the number is 50. Here it is given that 30. This is equal to 10. Defect in measurement and coloring 8. Defect in measurement and quality 20. Defect in measurement, defect in quality coloring 10. Quality coloring 10. Quality coloring 10, measuring coloring 8, and defect in measurement and quality 20, and this is 5 for alls. The manager was penalized for the report. Do you yourself. Do it yourself. This is same type of sum. Here I draw a picture, and from the picture it is clear all things. First you will find only defective measurement, then defective coloring, and then defective inequality, and defecting measurement plus defecting coloring, that means 8 minus 5 equal to 3, and so on. In this way you will get the answer. Do it yourself. Okay. I will go in the next sum. This is sum number 22. But by Venn diagram of 15 you will solve the problem. Sum number 22. Here it is given that if two sets A and B are having 99 elements in common, then find the number of elements common to each of the sets A cross B and B cross A. I will do it with the example. If A be a set of 1 elements and B be a set of 2 elements, 1 and 2. So, A cross B equal to 1 into 1 and 1 into 2, 1, 2. Okay. And B cross A, this equal to 1, 1, 1 and 2, 1. So, which element is common? 1, 1. This element is common in both A cross B and B cross A. So, this number is 1, common element. Common in both, equal to 1 element. Okay. And this is let A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, now A cross B equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. This is Cartesian product, and B cross A equal to B cross A, first element B, second element A, A, that means 1, 1, 1, 2. Second one 2, 1, 2, 2. And third one 3, 1 and 3, 2. Okay. So, common element is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. That means common element here, common element here 2 to the power 2. The 4, common element is 4, that is 2 to the power 2. Okay. Common element is 4, that is 2 to the power 2. Here common element is 1, that is 1 to the power 2. So, in this way, I can write if A and B, here 99 elements are common, two sets A and B, 99 elements common. Here 4 elements common, here 1 element common. Here this is equal to 2 to the power 2, 99 elements common. 2 elements, here 2 elements, 4 elements are common, common element equal to 4, that is 2 to the power 2, and number of elements in A and B 99, that is common element is 99 to the power 2. This is the answer. Okay, I am ending here.